I got first interested during my studies. I'm coming from Austria, close to the mountains, but I felt already in early times of my career more attracted to the sea. The attraction to the sea is that's how to say how to say it's a very personal view, also offering a wide perspective instead of narrow mountains. The last time I went to an expedition was early this year, in March and April, where I was doing field work in the Parnaíba Delta in northern Brazil. And this is a very nice environment because it's one of the few pristine deltas which are left in our world. Because most of these deltas heavily did change quite a lot due to a lot of human activities. And if we want to check this change, it's also necessary to go back to some deltas which offer still a natural state. Yeah, that's a very good question, and I think a very important question. Because to solve these problems of the deterioration of our natural environments, and especially the coasts and the oceans, it's not necessarily to teach this only in Europe or in North America. We have really to go abroad, and we should get the people in the southern countries, because they are suffering most, and they have normally the least, not many means to get or to use means of higher education. Yes, and this was also for me the main reason to participate in such a thing, that it's a chance to reach people who cannot afford textbooks, who have no access to universities, and especially if you tell them that they can do something. Not really. So from my topic is the coast. And with the coast, we see that we need, on the one hand, much more regulations to maintain or to protect our coasts. And on the other hand, you see the high demand, especially again in the southern countries. People are moving to the big cities, to the mega cities. Many of these coastal regions are densely populated. You have to develop infrastructure, and just to supply water to the people is a big challenge. And on the other hand, if you supply the local population or a large population with water, then we have the problem with coastal subsidence, for instance, marine inundation. So this all goes together, and it's not easy to find a solution for the problems.